Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to Payhip. Before we get started, if you haven't signed up yet, you can use the link in the description to create your account on Payhip. First, go to the top menu and click on Products. This will bring up the option to add a product. Click on that and you will see several choices for the type of product you can add: digital, physical, course, or coaching service. For today, we'll focus on adding a digital product. Select Digital Product, and you will be taken to a new page where you can upload your product file. Make sure you have your file ready on your computer. I'll go ahead and upload mine now. If your product includes multiple files, you can upload them all here. Once your files are uploaded, scroll down to add the product title and set the price. You can set the price to whatever you think is reasonable for your product. Next, you'll need to add a cover image. This image represents your product on your Payhip store. Locate your image file and upload it. Now, move on to the product description section. This is where you describe your product in detail. You can either write a new description or paste one you've prepared earlier. Take a moment to tidy up the text if needed. Once the description is ready, you'll see options to control the visibility of your product. You can choose to make it visible to everyone, keep it invisible while you're still working on it, or make it unlisted, which means only people with the direct link can view it. There are also advanced options available. For example, you can set a tax exemption for certain products, add a teaser, limit the number of sales, or automatically add buyers to your mailing list. You can also generate a unique license key for each product if needed. After setting all the options, click on Add Product. Your product will now be live on Payhip. On the next page, you'll see a link to your product page, which you can share directly with your audience. This is useful if you want to promote your product on social media or through email. Now, if you want to organize your products into collections, click on the Collections button. Add a new collection by naming it and selecting the products you want to include. You can also upload an image for the collection. Once done, click Add Collection. You can either add products to a collection as you create them or create the collection first and add products to it later. This way, you can immediately add new products to the appropriate collection as you upload them. To view how your store looks, go to the Store Builder and launch it. This will show you a preview of your store where you can make any necessary changes. When you're happy with the layout, click Publish to update your store. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you want to try Payhip for free with no credit card, I have provided a link in the description below. Make sure to check that out.